Chiwenga, the former military general who played a decisive role in Mnangagwa's accession to power, has been steadily sidelined as Mnangagwa consolidates his grip on state institutions and party structures. Zanapana mashoko toona kuti aiwa kunyange mandoendesa agenerari panguva ino vachionekwa kunzi aiwa vava vashoma, they've been reduced in such a way kuti generari vangadai vari munhu ari very very isolated, but panguva ino tichionekwa kuchine the ZDF ichimira nagenerari, but unyazokuona kuti pano papaipa toti musubscribe or like out on the bell. Uchipira pano mudoni muchinzi Mnangagwa's push for ED28 agenda, a bid to extend his rule beyond his current term, has met resistance from within, particularly from military-backed Chiwenga loyalists. The latest disciplinary action also coincides with the reports of mounting discontent within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, where factions loyal to Chiwenga are reportedly growing uneasy over Mnangagwa's consolidation of power. This has fueled fears that any further sidelining of Chiwenga and his allies could provoke a military response similar to the one that led to Mnangagwa's downfall. Several high-ranking security officials have privately expressed concern about Mnangagwa's moves, with some suggesting that Chiwenga's patience is wearing thin. Unlike in 2017, however, the current political climate is different. Mnangagwa has fortified his grip on intelligence agencies and backed several senior military officers linked to Chiwenga. Yet history has shown that Zimbabwe's politics remain unpredictable, and if tensions within the security sector escalate, the possibility of another military intervention can not be ruled out. For now, Mnangagwa remains in control, but ongoing factional battles within Zambia suggest that Zimbabwe's political landscape remains fragile. Ndo mashoko anobuda nyuko panapa vakubona kuti aiwa panguva inoi nyika iri muestate yekuti anytime pacritical state kuti anytime zvinogona kungodhakwa. The downfall aiwa the leadership yeZANU-PF inogona kutongoona vachitokunzwa kuti aiwa military kana kuti maallies agenerali vachamuka, havachatodi kunzwa nezvemutungamiri wenyika panguva ino. Toziva mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitwechi, kana comment section medu. Musaona subscribe or like, on the bell icon.